guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can switch accounts on Discord. Switch accounts on Discord, and I believe you can only do it on PC. I'm not sure if you can do it on your on the mobile app. So what you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna hover down, I guess, to your profile picture, select it, and press switch accounts, manage accounts, and press add an account. You are then just going to log in, which I'm just going to be doing, and I'll just pause for a second. And as you can see, I have switched accounts to this one, and to switch it back to the other account, you're just going to want to click on the profile picture again, switch accounts, and go and press switch. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!